Hi boys and girls, it's Miss MK here. I just wanted to come and visit you and give you a couple ideas of some fun things to do while you're at home. I did a Colors of Nature scavenger hunt. Alright, so here is my materials. Alright, so the first thing that I did was I took my egg carton, and on the inside of my egg carton I put some colors. Now I went crazy and painted all of the inside, which you do not have to do, but go for it if you are wanting to paint. But I did 2 reds, 2 yellows, 2 greens, 2 purples, 2 whites, and 2 browns. Now what you're going to do once you have your egg carton painted is you will take it outside and find some lovely items that are also those colors. Brown was a leaf and a stick. The white was a dandelion seeds, and a stick with some sort of fungus on it. The purple was violet flowers. The green was some clovers and a leaf. There was lots of green on the ground. The yellows, I found a dandelion and some other little yellow flowers and yellow leaf. And then the red was from a Japanese maple leaf. And then I found this little train toy in the yard as well. What did you find? Something fun to maybe carry around with you that you can use to search for those colors in nature are some binoculars. Alright, and I didn't do this yet, but maybe poke a hole on the outside and you can tie string and it can hang around your neck, or a little piece of tape with some string as well would work. Alright, so I have my binoculars and I have all my colors in nature as well. For the older children, if you have older brothers or sisters, or this could even go for some of our Pisgah Collective students that really love to scavenger hunt, I have another egg carton that has another idea in it. And I did, there we go, I did pictures of some different items that you might find in nature. Now, Mom and Dad, y'all might want to take a peek outside of your window and see which items you do have, because there are a few on here that might not be in your yard, just depending on where you are, what kind of trees you have. And some of these things might be hard to find it in your yard, and you can adjust that to whatever you think. Parents, go out and check out your yard, see what's found. But we found a seed and grass and a leaf, a rock and a stick, a piece of bark. No shell was found in this yard. A flower, a fern, and some dirt. And we also were not able to find a pine cone today. But keep looking. Have fun outside exploring, and happy scavenger. Alright. But some of the really fun and crafty part that I obviously enjoy doing is decorating it. So I wrote happy hunting on this one, and colors of nature on this one. And you can put those pom-poms or glitter stickers or whatever you find around your house. And then the binoculars are really fun. We've decorated these at school lots of times. And they're really fun to spy on your friends and your family. Maybe you hear the birds. I see it. All right. Happy hunting, everyone. Can't wait to see you.